Possessives. In this lesson, you are going to learn about possessive adjectives and apostrophe S. Michelle rides her bike to school. Her bike is pink and her helmet is orange. Brian rides his skateboard to school. His skateboard is yellow and its wheels are small. Notice these words: her, his, and its. These are possessive adjectives. Her shows that Michelle has a bike and that the helmet belongs to Michelle too. His shows the skateboard belongs to Brian, and its shows that the wheels belong to the skateboard. Let's look at the chart. These are the possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. Possess is another word for have. So these adjectives show what different people or things have. For example, it is a blue book. It is my book. It isn't your book. In the first sentence, blue is the adjective. In the second sentence, it is my book, I use a possessive adjective to show you that the book belongs to me. In the third sentence, I use a possessive adjective to show you that the book does not belong to you. Here is another example. Tyler walks to school every day. His school isn't far. He always takes his red backpack. Again, we use his to show you Tyler has a school, and his to show you that Tyler has a backpack. It's his red backpack. Now you try. Here we have Mary and Marge. They are sisters. Can you fill in the correct possessive adjectives? Ready? Okay. Mary and Marge are sisters. Mary is on the left. Her hat is orange. Marge is on the right. Her shirt has pink flowers. They often check their phones. Okay, let's try again. Okay, here we have Jay, and he loves soccer. What possessive adjectives go in the blanks? Jay loves soccer, but his team isn't very good because the team belongs to Jay, or Jay has a team. And Jay is the only other subject here, so it has to be his. Okay, Jay loves soccer, but his team isn't very good. They lost 5 of their last 6 games. And why is it there? Because they is the subject of this sentence. They are the ones with the games. One more time. You and I have class together. Okay, which possessive adjectives go? We are talking about you and I. Our classes are about grammar. I make videos on my computer. You watch the videos on your computer or phone. Okay. Here we have more examples. Amy has a new puppy. Her puppy is very friendly. His name is Rex. He's 3 months old. Amy's puppy is cute. Okay, what do we have here? I see an apostrophe S, and you know that this is he is. He is 3 months old. He is Rex. He is 3 months old. But look here! I've got another apostrophe S, and this is not the be verb because it doesn't make sense. Amy is, puppy is, cute? That doesn't work. So this S is a different kind of apostrophe S. This is a possessive. Let's look. Amy's puppy is cute. This mark is an apostrophe right here, but this is not a contraction like the other apostrophes you know. This apostrophe shows that Amy has a puppy. It's a possessive. The puppy belongs to Amy. Let's look at some more examples. Tom and Dylan walk to school. Tom's shirt is orange. Dylan's shirt is black. Their classes start at 8:30. Okay, look. Tom's shirt. Tom's shirt is orange, so I know that the guy with the orange shirt is Tom. Dylan's shirt is black, so I know this boy here with the black shirt is Dylan because the shirt belongs to him. That's what this apostrophe S shows us. Their classes start at 8:30. Tom and Dylan both have sisters. Tom's sister is 14. She goes to their school. Dylan's sister is 5 years old. She's in kindergarten. So again, we've got Tom's sister that shows he has a sister. Dylan's sister, that apostrophe S shows Dylan has a sister. But what's this? This is she's in kindergarten. This is a contraction. This is she is. Be careful with the apostrophe. Here we have two pictures. On the right, it's cold today. On the left, its teeth are sharp. Its and its in these two sentences sound exactly the same. But when I write them, it's cold today is a contraction of it is cold today. So I use the apostrophe S. But over here, its teeth are sharp means the teeth that belong to the crocodile are sharp. This is a possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective its doesn't get an apostrophe. That's the only difference. Let's see if you understand. You are going to see a sentence. Look at the sentence and think, is it a contraction of the be verb or is it a possessive? Sam's dog runs fast. That's a possessive. Sam has a dog. The girl's dress is purple. Also a possessive. The girl has a dress. It's a beautiful day. That one is it is. It's a beautiful day is the be verb. Its ears are long. This is a possessive. It's without the apostrophe is a possessive adjective. He's a happy man. He's with the apostrophe is he is. That is the be verb. Okay? One more thing about possessives and the apostrophe S. If the word is plural, put the apostrophe after the S. So here you see two sentences. The boys have sisters. The boys' sisters are smart. Boys sounds the same in both sentences. But do you see this apostrophe? This shows me that the boys have sisters. We put the apostrophe after the S for plurals. Here's another example. If I have one boy and he has two sisters, it's boys' sisters with the apostrophe before the S. If I have two boys who have two sisters, then the apostrophe goes after the S. Let's take a look at one more example. The girl's uniform is red and white. There is one girl, the apostrophe comes before. The girls' uniforms are red and white. And now I have plural girls. Do you see the apostrophe before the S for singular? After the S for plural. You learned in this lesson that possessive forms show what belongs. She rides her bike, he rides his skateboard. The possessive adjectives her and his show that she has a bike and he has a skateboard. Amy's puppy is cute. The players' uniforms are red and white. The apostrophe S shows that Amy has a puppy and the players have uniforms.